Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mark Johnson coming back at you with another video. Now in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how the thought process that goes behind my winning video ads. A lot of people actually requested this, so I thought I'd just break down a couple of the ads that I've made and show you guys the insights into what I'm thinking about when I'm making them, the angle that I'm going for. So I'm going to be breaking down two ads. One of them you haven't seen before. It's a posture corrector ad. So I'm going to be showing you exactly a step-by-step breakdown of my thought process on that. This isn't going to be a how to edit videos ads. There's plenty of YouTube videos out there on how to edit. It's not that hard. You just need to learn that. But it's really the thought process behind it that counts when you're making video ads. So I'm going to show you the video ad first, and then I'm going to break it down step by step. So let's get stuck into the video. Now, check out the first video ad. Let's start it. So right off the bat, you could see I wanted something to really grab someone's attention, and making a bold claim like increase your height. Everyone wants to be taller after all. It certainly isn't true as in the fact that you put it on and you just grow taller, but correct posture does increase your height, and so it's not a false claim. It doesn't make you grow taller, but it does correct your posture, straighten your spine, and actually make you stand up taller. People can lose like almost 2 inches of height if they have bad posture, so that's why that first claim was made. So increase your height, people are like, what? What's this? A back brace that corrects your height. So now you've got people's attention. And as sort of a disclaimer, I said increase your height with correct posture at the bottom, not increase your height like a magic beanstalk, you know. So that is the thought process I had at the start of the ad. Let's keep watching. And that sort of skeleton movement was just showing how the spine corrects and straightens up to give you that height. So I just put that. This is a clip I found off the internet. I put that in afterwards. And now this next part, I'll just play this for you. Okay, so as you can see, that was a guy sitting at his desk. He didn't look happy. He looked, you know, all disturbed and sad. And what I did was I actually turned the saturation of the video right down. If you don't know what the saturation is, it's like the color, how bright the color is. I'll give you an example. This is very high saturation, and this is very low saturation. Okay, back to normal now. So you see, when you have very low saturation, it gives that sort of feeling that it's a very sad mood, not very happy or excited. So that's why I turn the saturation right down, to show he's got bad posture, he's not happy, he's sad, you know, it gives him an eerie bad feeling. And then this next part is just another diagram of a guy with a sore back with the saturation turned down again. Now we have your posture solution. Now again, as you can see, with this is a video of me with the bad posture, and I've turned the saturation right down. Not looking very happy with the bad posture, you know, sad face, saturation turned right down. And then here we go, we have your posture solution text, and then boom, saturation turned up, happy smile on my face, correct posture, under this sadness, just correct, happy, you know, gives them solution, you know, this is the solution to it. And it shows that in the video. It's, you know, so I'll continue. Another bold claim creates broader shoulders. It doesn't physically make your shoulders grow broader, but having correct posture will go from this to that. So it does pull your shoulders back and create broader shoulders, which everyone wants, you know, especially guys want broader shoulders. I'll continue. And now I'm just showing that it fits completely underneath your shirt, and there's going to be no problem with you know, people seeing it or anything, because that's a very light t-shirt. As you can see, you can't see it under my t-shirt at all, so that gives people the confidence to know they can wear it out in public. And that clip there was just a very good video of a guy with bad posture, and then showing the process of how it slowly turns good, and then, you know, you look a lot better with correct posture. And it's a big insecurity, incorrect posture. And those are just some more clips I found off YouTube. Now, you're probably wondering, we've come almost to the end of the video, why it's been all guys so far and no girls. Well, this wasn't the first ad I did. This was the one that actually did the best for me when I was selling this posture brace. But the first couple ads I did weren't as good as this, but I found when I broke down my analytics in the ads manager, that it was mostly guys buying the posture brace. It was like 95% guys and not very many girls. So, you know, it is still a gender neutral product. Girls want to buy it just as much. I don't know, maybe my targeting was off, but I was finding a lot of guys were buying it more so than girls. So that's why I based the ad mainly around guys. And then I've got this one girl at the end, just because it is a gender neutral product. I want, if there is girls watching this, I want them to feel like, yes, they can wear it as well, you know. So that was the thought process behind that. As you can see, yeah, she just puts it on, pulls the shoulders back, big smile, and then this is the sort of call to action at the end. Fast, free shipping from the United States of America. Now, I was shipping it from the US because on AliExpress, there's plenty of US suppliers that do ship out these posture braces. So that was a big thing. Like when it comes down to it, like everyone wants that fast shipping. They don't want another product that takes 6 weeks to come from China. So I made sure that that was very known at the end of the ad. Fast, free shipping from United States of America. And yeah, and then obviously I've got the website at the bottom, which is blurred because I don't want you guys knowing about that store. So yeah, that is the breakdown of the posture correction brace ad that I was selling. I'm no longer selling that. It's a pretty saturated product. I mean, you know, I wouldn't suggest getting into it unless you're taking a whole nother angle at it. But yeah, so that's the breakdown of that ad. Hey guys, I'm gonna break down another video for you. This is the umbrella trap that I was selling. Now you might have seen this in another one of my videos, but basically I'm gonna do the same thing, break down exactly the thought process behind it, how I was thinking, what I was thinking about, the angle I was taking when I was making this ad. Before I do that, smash the like button, and here's my one tip when it comes to making video ads: do not use copyright music. Facebook knows straight away. I got done a couple times for using music I shouldn't have been using, which I don't even know the thought process behind it. It's just an easy beginner mistake. So make sure you're using copyright-free music. I suggest going on Facebook Sound Collection. They have a massive library of songs, music, all kinds of effects, and you can use it on your Facebook ads, no problem at all. Facebook Sound Collection. That's the place to get the music. It's all 100% free to use on Facebook. All right, so let's break down this ad. I'm just gonna play it for you quickly, and then we're gonna break it down. Alright, so let's break it down. Alright, so my thought behind the first part was you've got me grabbing their attention, pulling a trap out of the water. They're about to see what's in it, or what's in it, and then they don't get to see it. They're waiting to see what was in the trap as I'm pulling it out of the water. So that was the attention grabber, more or less. I don't know if it worked that well. Again, I haven't scaled this ad anywhere near as high as the posture correction, so I can't confirm this is a winning per se ad, but it's definitely a pretty good ad. Alright. Alright, so I'm just pulling the trap out of the water, showing that it's got fish in it. Again, they haven't had a good look inside yet, so they're still curious. Alright, so now what I've done is I've shown someone getting live bait out of a live bait tank, putting it on a fishing line, and then catching a massive fish and just having the drag go zzz. And if any sort of fishing enthusiasts out there, they know that when you hear that drag going zzz, it gives you a certain little tingle inside and you know you've got a big fish on. So that was my thought process behind that, is to give them sort of an emotional spike when they hear that and they see that, oh, look at that. They're going to think to themselves, wow, I need live bait every time I go fishing. It sort of relates those two things together. So that was thought process behind that. And again, I'm just showing how small it packs up to and how easy it packs away. A big thing when it comes to fishing traps, I know this because I am a fisherman, is like any mud crab traps or fishing traps, they're always so dirty and disgusting and just full of fish bait, and they like mud crab traps are massive. To pack those things away, the circle ones, it takes up half of the back of your car. Whereas this trap folds into a nice little like sort of umbrella stick, and then it folds out into the big trap. So it's really easy and portable. I wanted to really emphasize that in the video, just how easy it is to pack away and all that, and how sort of portable it is. So that's another thing that I was trying to get across. Again, just getting across how easy it is to pack away, how light and small they are, and just bang, done. Easy peasy. And of course some close-up showing the zipper, the entrances, all that. Now the last bit I was just basically showing it catches a lot of fish. You can see all the fish swimming in and out of it. Crabs, prawns, catches everything. So I was just really emphasizing that it does catch a lot of bait. And the final call to action is just picture of the umbrella trap, the big logo across the front, looks professional, and then all the different sizes of traps just running up the screen so that people know what sizes they can get. And that's it. That is the final, that's as simple as it is. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that breakdown. If you want to see anything else, comment it down below. I'm glad to help out. This was a very highly requested video, so anything else, let me know. DM me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you later. Oh guys, before you go, I just wanted to see if you were interested in, I may have just purchased my first investment property and I'm planning on turning it into a very high cash flowing Airbnb. Would you guys be interested in seeing a video on how to do that and how you can do it yourself? If not, don't worry. If you do want to see it, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about how I'm doing it.